explain. This is the quickest way home from where I'm at. Just gonna shoot up one more, okay? And then, okay, like, you're gonna remember the back rubs? You remember the back rubs because I'm giving you the back rubs tonight. I'm giving you the back rubs. Oh, I'm not even telling you about this tonight. No, you're gonna look at this afterwards. Oh, and you're gonna remember the back rubs tonight. You know the night. Okay, that was for me shooting another one of these, okay? But I got a 9%. It says 9%. I got it plugged in now, and I'm just gonna. It's the quickest way home. Okay, I gotta shut up, okay? Because they would need to watch, but. Intersection. Yeah, look at this fucking shit. But it works because there's no one here. So shut up. It's beautiful. What else do you want? There's 4 people a day here. Shut the fuck up. Jesus. Sorry, honey. This is like 5 episodes. I got like 5 episodes of this. Sorry. Back rows. Driving through it. That's how people die. Don't do it. People from out of town, people from 4 real estates. I love water crossings when I'm off road. Whoa, I love it. I miss it so much. I won't do it on roads out here. Technically on the way. Just remember the thing after back rubs? About all that bought me there, Gracie. So, good. Bye.